In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play and gamble on Stake without an ID. Now, first of all, if you access Stake from a restricted country like the EU, Australia, or the United States, you get the message like this saying that Stake isn't available. So the first step is bypassing this, and for this, you need a VPN. My favorite VPN for this is NordVPN. I'll leave a link down below in description. Once you open it, as you can see, you're connected to the US. And the first thing we want to do is connect to a country where Stake is available. My favorite place for that is Mexico. Stake is legal there and it's close to the US. So we simply type in Mexico and then connect. And now, as you can see, we're connected to Mexico. Then what I'd like to do is simply close NordVPN and refreshing this page. Then we need to verify, and then now, as we can see, we have brought that to Stake, and now the pop-up disappears, so we can actually access the site. However, there is another huge problem, because right now when I go to wallet, as you can see, it asks me to set up the wallet, and then we need to verify with advisor's license, an ID card, or passport, and this is not possible for us. And this is exactly why we now offer fully verified Stake accounts on our site. And for this, I will leave a link down below. From here, you can click on Stake, and right here you can read all the details about the levels. Level 2 verified. This is the perfect starter account where you can start depositing, playing, and withdraw money without any issues. And we have level 3 and 4 for bigger players on Stake. At the bottom, you can select your level and click Add to Cart, and then right here you can pay with either crypto or with credit card. And then also to show you how this account would look like, so I have it right here. As we can see right now, when I go to settings and I go to verification, right here we can see that we are level 1 and level 2 verified already, done for you. And now when we go to wallet, you can see that we can deposit, so I can take deposit right here and deposit with crypto or other payment methods, and also whether I have any winnings from playing on Stake, I can withdraw it without any issues as well. Once again, I will leave a link down below in the description. If this helped you out, please leave a like, leave subscribe, and see you next time.